Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to add phone number in Calendly. The first thing you want to do once you have created your event, for example, as you can see this one right here, you are going to tap on Edit, or during the process of creating your event, you are going to scroll down and the section where you see Invitee Questions, you are going to tap on that. After selecting that, you're going to scroll down and you want to tap on Add New Question right here. After selecting Add New Question, you can simply tap right where you see Answer Type. And from here, you would select Phone Number. Then you're going to add the phone number right here. And you'll simply tap on Apply. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.